technologies for our SAP factor to reduce our daily workload, and we hope save more time for the important things. And RAUMEDIC is designed to develop and produce polymer and silicon-based solutions for our customer-specific applications in the medtech and pharma industry. Yeah, my big takeaway that this SAP Digital Manufacturing, which is a cloud-based solution, also worked for companies in the regulated environment with a strong partnership with SAP. We wanted to implement the SAP Digital Manufacturing solution in our pilot plants in Sweden, and then we go to further rollouts and implementation for our plants worldwide to 2028. Other organizations can learn from us. They should stay curious and make bold decisions, try out new innovative software and implement them quickly. So if they fail, they should fail fast. And if they succeed, they can benefit from them for a longer time.